UK Vatsar, General Manager of APEDA and Government of India. Please, I welcome you. Please, sir, share your views with us.
Good evening, the valued listeners, valued contributors to this talk of the export of pineapple. There are two topics mixed in. One is important topic of the biosecurity, and the second is the how we increase our export. So I welcome the remarks of earlier two speaker, Dr. Naveen ji and the honorable guest from Shobit University. I take all the remarks very positively in this session. So to tell you that how we enter into export, uh, India has been bestowed with lot of products, lot of popular products. So what we were doing was promoting mango, pomegranate, bananas now, latest is banana, and then grapes. Out of these four, grapes was a great success because the tie-ups were very clear and very good tie-ups were there. All the stakeholders got together to export table grapes to countries like EU. So this was a perfect example to take forward. Then there was export of pomegranate also picked up because of two reasons, that it was from the production was in the area where export linkage could be very fast, very accurate, very timely. So all the logistics, all the issues you were saying, and the shelf life of the product was very good. So second product, I say pomegranate. Then I say bananas because also we have a very good established system of production in banana, and we are having a huge surplus of production in case of banana. So Middle East was also already a success. Now we are expanding our basket to more than near Middle East. So now come to pineapple. Whatever you are saying, we have a very limited production in total. So what you are saying is in Northeast belt and the Kerala belt, the quantities are available, but we are able to manage only around 6 to 7,000 metric ton of export. And there should be reason that we are not able to export because all the issues you have mentioned. But I don't think that use of uh, coating like wax or whatever you were saying, that microbiological chemical to control the infestation is a issue here. I think logistics is a larger issue. You have to pick up pineapple from the far flung areas. Then you don't have the connectivity, except all the northeast states are connected with the neighboring states. As you mentioned that the total border is of with the Bangladesh, Myanmar, Bhutan, etc. So why do we export to these countries where will not want to? Because the first is price, second is the market itself, the size of the market. Third is the some issue is there of the quality and the shelf life. So these three combined together, we thought very seriously about it, and we thought that we should include the state government in our plan of action. And fortunately, unfortunately, of late, the government has woken up to this cause, that without the involvement of the state players and the stakeholders, state-based stakeholders, it will not be possible. What we could do over the years was establish a very good pack house, give it to some state body like Assam Agriculture Marketing Board. Let people use it for shipment from uh, say Assam, that is for air connectivity. Pick up from Assam and ship it to say UAE. So that experiment also faced so many hurdles. I tell you, you need a plant quarantine officer at airport. whenever and wherever where there is a chance of export consignment, you need to have a